So zirconia is milled through this in this machine here, and the part that comes out goes in the machine in the oven, and it's sintered overnight, becomes rock hard, and then it is installed in the patient's mouth.
Due to this man's word, I had a luxurious Thanksgiving. My food tasted way the hell better than it did the past 2 years prior. That's on me. But after this man and having my Thanksgiving dinner, every bite was worth it. This man gave his word that I would not be hurt over getting my, I guess, drilled right through your gums. I had never heard of nothing like that. You know, much less whatever technology they got going on over here. But that man kept his word. I would recommend anybody who even thinking about getting their mouth worked on, come here and specifically work with this man. You won't regret it.